Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring in first person. While Elden Ring is traditionally a third-person action role-playing game, a fantastic community-made modification allows you to experience the vast lands between from an entirely new perspective. This mod provides a fully realized first-person conversion, offering a deeply immersive and fresh way to traverse the world, engage in combat, and explore its many secrets. It truly changes the feel of the game. To begin your first-person journey, you will need to download the First-Person Souls mod, primarily found on Nexus Mods. This mod is designed for PC users running a Windows operating system. Before making any modifications, it is always a good practice to create a backup of your Elden Ring save files. This simple step helps protect your progress and ensures a smooth modding experience, allowing you to revert if needed. Once you have downloaded the First-Person Souls mod, extract its contents directly into your main Elden Ring game folder. The mod typically consists of 3 key files: a DLL file, an INI configuration file, and a dedicated executable launcher. To play with the first-person perspective, you must launch Elden Ring using this new mod executable rather than the game's original launcher. This ensures the mod loads correctly. When playing with the first-person mod, you can often switch between first and third-person perspectives at any time, offering great flexibility. You can also fine-tune your experience by adjusting camera settings and the field of view, or FOV, within the mods. INI configuration file. Remember, using this mod will automatically put your game into offline mode, preventing access to official online multiplayer to avoid potential issues. Enjoy the lands between like never before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.